Hi, with WingOps, you can now issue tools to users, as well as withdraw and return them. In the Tools section, we've added a new filter, Issue To, which lets you see who is currently using a tool. To issue tools, simply select the item and assign them to a user. When returning, you can either return them one by clicking Actions, Return Tool, or select multiple tools to return them all at once. The table can also be filtered by users, making it easier to track which tools are assigned to whom. With our dedicated Workshop mobile view, technicians can quickly withdraw tools by searching for them. Alternatively, users can search the tools by scanning their QR codes with the camera. To return a tool, just select it and click Return. Both the Workshop mobile view and the main software stay in sync, always showing which tools are currently in use. For example, we can see that a hammer, previously withdrawn using a QR code, has now been issued to a user. All transactions can be viewed in the Activity section. Simply select an item, like the hammer, and click on Activity to see its full history, who issued and returned it, and when.